Hello Tony, my name is Kenil and I'll be helping you resolve the issue with the bushing exercise from your utility company that causes your system to not turn on. So here we have a Lenovo system that we will be running a diagnosis and showing you the solution for your problem. So we open the casing of the Lenovo system, and here we have the power supply, and here we have the CD-ROM drive, and here is the hard drive. So we'll be replacing the hard drive. So how you'll replace it is you will hold on to the lever, pull it towards you, and disassemble it from the casing. You will then remove it from the heatsink where it is attached. Then you will realize that it has two connections at the back. The first one here is the SATA connector, so you remove it, and then you remove the SATA power supply cable which goes to the power supply. So you remove it, and then you will have to replace the hard drive. This is the process of installing the new hard drive. So you would find your SATA control card on the which is connected to the motherboard. So you would get it, ensure that it is well connected to the motherboard, and then you would connect it. When you realize that you have two connections at the back, this one is for the power SATA which goes to the power supply, and this one is the SATA which goes to the motherboard. So you would then connect the first one, which is the SATA which goes to the motherboard. Then you would connect the SATA power supply which goes to the power supply. Then you would ensure that it is fit back nicely into the heatsink groove that we took it from earlier. Then we will ensure that it is nicely fit onto the system unit casing, and let go the lever so it is clipped on to the machine, and then you will close the machine and restart it, and your problem should be resolved.